When you insert an image into a Google Doc, it sits in line with the text by default, breaking the paragraph around it. To fix that, you can wrap the text around the image, which makes the document look much cleaner. If you find this helpful, please give the video a like. First, click on the image to select it, which brings up the toolbar below it. In that toolbar, find and click the text wrapping options icon. A menu appears with several wrapping choices, and currently, break text is selected. Choose Wrap Text from the menu, and the text immediately flows around the image. Now, to keep the image in a fixed spot on the page, open the Position dropdown, which currently shows Move with Text. Select Fix Position on Page, so the image stays put even if you edit the text above it. You can then drag the image to fine-tune its placement within the paragraph. To control the space between the image and the text, open the Image Margin dropdown, currently set to 3.2 millimeters. Pick a larger margin, like 13 millimeters, to give the text more breathing room around the image. The text adjusts to the new spacing, and your image is now neatly wrapped with a comfortable margin. That's how you wrap text around an image in Google Docs, keeping your layout tidy and professional. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like more tips like this, don't forget to subscribe.